Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Everyone talks about compounding like it's some magical formula, but most people never actually see it work. Why? Because they're missing the real steps that make it powerful. In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually make compounding work for you, not in theory, but in your real life. Stick around, because this might be the most important financial lesson you ever learn. Compounding is often called the eighth wonder of the world, but for most people, it remains more of a buzzword than a real financial force in their life. Why? Because they don't understand how to actually make it work. They hear the phrase, compound interest, get excited by the idea of exponential growth, and maybe even plug some numbers into an online calculator, but then go right back to saving inconsistently or spending their investment gains. If you want compounding to work for you, you have to treat it like a living machine. You feed it, protect it, and let time do its magic. In this guide, I'll show you how to turn that theoretical growth into real-life wealth. No gimmicks, just proven habits. Repeat button. What is compounding, really? At its core, compounding means earning returns on your returns. Let's break it down. You invest $1,000. It earns 10% in a year equals $1,100. Next year, that $1,100 earns 10% equals $1,210. And so on. You're not just earning on what you started with, you're earning on what you earned. Over time, this snowballs in a way that simple saving can never replicate. But here's the kicker, compounding only works if you let it. Hourglass. Why most people never see compounding work. There are three main reasons why people fail to make compounding a real part of their financial life. They start too late. They don't stay consistent. They interrupt the process. Imagine a snowball rolling downhill. If you push it for 5 seconds, stop, then pick it up again, it won't grow. You've just disrupted the entire compounding effect. That's what happens when you withdraw too early, skip investing during market downturns, or don't reinvest your dividends. Upward trend. The real levers of compounding. To actually make compounding work for you, there are 4 main levers. 1. Time. Time is your number one asset. Starting early beats starting with more. Example, invest $200 per month at 25 right pointing arrow tilde $500,000 by 65. Start at 35 with $300 per month right pointing arrow only tilde $350,000. Even with more money, starting late costs you dearly. 2. Consistency. Sporadic investing doesn't help much. Monthly contributions, no matter how small, win the race. Dollar cost averaging. Investing the same amount regularly smooths out market volatility and builds discipline. 3. Reinvestment. Dividends and gains need to be reinvested, not spent. Reinvestment creates the interest on interest compounding we're aiming for. It's the quiet engine behind explosive long-term growth. 4. Patience. This is the hardest one. Compounding is boring in the beginning, very boring. But the last 5 to 10 years are when the magic really happens. The people who quit early never make it to the good part. Hammer and wrench. Practical ways to make compounding work. Here's how you can start applying compounding today, in a way that will actually make a difference over time. Check mark 1. Automate your investments. Set up automatic monthly transfers into a long-term investment account. Start with what you can, even $50 per month is fine, and increase it as you go. Check mark 2. Use growth assets. Don't let your money sit in a savings account earning 0.01%. For long-term compounding, you want assets like index funds, e.g., VTI, SCHD, S&P 500 ETFs, dividend stocks, reinvest the dividends, REITs or rental properties, if passive income is your goal. Check mark 3. Reinvest everything, whether it's dividends, capital gains, or interest, reinvest it all. Most brokerage accounts let you turn on DRIP, dividend reinvestment program, with one click. Check mark 4. Leave it alone. This is the hardest part for most people. Do not touch your investments. Don't withdraw early. Don't try to time the market. Don't let fear drive decisions. The more hands-off you are, while staying consistent, the more compounding can thrive. Revolving light pitfalls that destroy compounding. Avoid these common mistakes at all costs. Pulling money out too early. you kill the momentum just as it's starting to build. Skipping contributions during a market crash, that's actually the best time to invest. Lifestyle creep: as your income grows, so does your spending. Instead, increase your investing. Chasing high returns: you don't need 20% gains if you're consistent for 30 years. Chasing quick wins often leads to losses. Bar graph: a realistic example, let's say you invest $500 per month in an index fund averaging 8% annually. In 10 years, $91,000 in 20 years, $247,000 in 30 years, $566,000 in 40 years, $1.3 million. Investment never changed. The return stayed average. The secret? Time plus consistency. Brain final thought: compounding is a behavior, not just a math trick. If you remember one thing from this, let it be this: compounding doesn't work unless you work it. It's not magic. It's not exclusive to the rich. It's a slow burn, high power force available to anyone who commits to the process. Start early. Stay consistent. Reinvest everything. Be patient. And one day, you'll look back in amazement at what compounding has built, quietly, faithfully, and powerfully, in the background of your life. If this helped clear up the truth about compounding, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. And if you've already started your compounding journey, let me know in the comments how it's going. Thanks for watching, and remember, wealth isn't built overnight, it's built every day through smart habits.